So this is where we stopped in the last class. Okay, let us continue from there. Try this. From the pairs of numbers given below, compare them by using less than, greater than, and equal to signs. Okay. Okay. uh, where will I get it? Okay, in it, rectangle. No, not this one. Okay, 3002, 8002. Right. Which one is less than? 3000 is less than, right? Oh, what happened? Yeah, 3002. Sorry, is less than 8002. Okay. Second one, 43,000 is again less. Okay. 44 is more, right? 44,000 is more. 43 is less. Here 43,511. Again it is less than. Okay. 500, 100. 500 is more. 13,000, 13,000. No, this is 1 lakh. 1 lakh 34,753. Okay, this is 13,453. When you have more digits, obviously that number will be greater. Okay, see here, 5 digit number on my left hand side, 6 digit number on my right hand side, so 6 digit number is higher. Okay, write the smallest and greatest 5 digit numbers using the given digits only once. Okay, smallest number 12,345. To get smallest number, you need to start with least, the digit which is having least place value, that is 1 first. That has to be placed at the highest place face value. Okay, so whichever is smaller, that has to come first. That is the way to get smallest number. To get greatest number, which has more value, or the highest value, has to come first. Thereafter second digit which is having higher value. Like that you have to proceed. Okay, now this is the example. Second example, look at this second example. Least number is 4. 4 will come first, thereafter 6, thereafter 7, then 8 and 9. This is smallest number. If you proceed in the other way, that means 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Okay, you will get highest number or greatest number. Okay, only difficulty arises when you have 0. Okay, now let's see this example. Since it has 0, right? Smallest and greatest digit. Let me do it for only a, because the space is not sufficient to do for all the 4, right? So even though 0 is the least number, you cannot put 0 at the beginning, right? When you put 0 at the beginning, it becomes a 4 digit number instead of 5 digit number. Okay, so that is the reason why I am choosing 1 rather than 0. Okay, after 0 there is 1, right? And the second place you have to put 0. Okay, that is the key. Okay, that is the logic. Otherwise, then 4, 5, 7, this is the least number. Okay, smallest in his smallest. Okay, highest in the other way. Um Not in the other way. For this it becomes wrong. Okay, highest also I am writing for a. Okay, 7 has to come first, thereafter 5, then 4, and then 1, then 0. Okay, 0 has to come, uh, 0 has to come when it has to come at the end, then only this digit becomes highest. Okay, if you put 0 here, 1 here, what will happen is, that is the reverse order, that becomes 75,401, 401. Now it is 75,410. Which is highest? 75,410 is the highest. Okay, this is how you have to proceed. Okay, complete the remaining PCD also. I hope you will do it. Write the smallest number in the fruit and the greatest numbers in the flower. See here I got a place, right? The smallest number in the fruit, highest number in the flower. Flower I have to write highest number. 45,678 is the highest number. 145 is the smallest number. Okay. Now you can write 23 here. Okay. This thing here 88,738. Now ascending and descending order of numbers. Mm, this is ascending 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. That is ascending. If you count from the other way, that means highest number first. In the in the ascending order, smallest number comes first. Okay. In the descending order, highest number, okay, number having high greatest value will come first. Okay, greatest number will come first. So 10, 9, 8. This order is descending. Ascending ordering of numbers is arranging the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, like I mentioned earlier. In the descending order, it is the other way around, that is greatest to the smallest. Okay, arrange the given numbers in the ascending order. Okay, let me do it for you. So answer is also given. Since it is example, answer is also given. Smallest first, 43 first, thereafter 413, 986, 8,490, and 38,490. Okay. Descending order of number is arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest, as we discussed earlier. In this example, highest number is 81,343, so that comes first. Thereafter 9,040, then 4,090, and then 195 and 95. Okay. Arrange the following numbers in the ascending order and descending order. Oh, again the space constraint here. Okay. Now I am writing ascending order for A. Okay. A example 137. Thereafter 1078. Then 27,935. Then 33,270. Okay, this order becomes ascending order. Ascending, am I correct? Yeah, spelling is ASCENDING. Okay, ascending order. Okay, it's still not getting enough space, but let's do in this way. This is ascending order for the top one. Okay, I will write the descending order for the bottom one. You have to do the remaining. Okay, you have to write descending order also for this. That is just opposite way. Okay, let me take away commas because I am putting commas here, right, to separate. Anyway, we are not interested in reading the number, right? We are just writing the number in the ascending and descending order, right? So that's why I'm taking away the comma. Okay, now I'm writing this in descending order. So which is highest, that will come first. 35,945. Okay, thereafter 34,496. Then 23,745. Then 733. I'm tempted to put a comma wherever it is needed, but the problem here is to separate the numbers also we are using the same comma. Okay, it's better if you use semicolon. Yeah, you can put that comma. Okay, that is the reason why he was using semicolon instead of commas. Okay, and this is descending order. What is the ascending order for these numbers? Just opposite way, right? Just the descending. The spelling is S is missing here. Descending order. DSENDING. Okay. So complete ascending order for this, and for these two you have to do both ascending as well as descending. Okay, write the number name. 11,000, right? This is 34,000. Let me write it. 30 oh sorry, 34. R is missing. 34,000, right? Okay, let me keep it here. Okay, to make it more visible. And this is 1 lakh. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 1 lakh. This is 1 lakh. Okay, write 1 lakh then. 1 lakh. Okay, 37,689. Okay, this one 4 lakh, this one 12 lakh. Okay, write the following values in abacus. 3 tons 7 crores, 60 lakh, 7 lakh, 4 tens and 7 ones. 3 tens 7 crores. Okay, 60 lakh, 7 lakh, 4 tens and 7 ones. Write the following values in abacus. So you have to place those things, weights, okay, in the abacus. Write any one number with 6,000 with 9 tens and 3 ones. Write any one number with 6,000 with 9 tens and 3 ones. Write in numerals. Okay, this I can do. Those placing of those things you do on your own. Okay, 1 crore, 40,000 and 4. 40,000 means 10,000 place, it is 4, right? And 4 last digit, it is 4. Okay, now let me cross check it. Ones place 10, 100,000, 10,000 place, that should be 4. Lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. So this number is correct. Let us put the commas also. Okay, 64 lakh and 3, that also I will do it for you. 64 lakh and 3. So we have to start from 10 lakh. 64 lakh, 64 lakh and 3. How many zeros will come? 4 zeros will come, then 3. So this is 100 place, there put a comma. 10,000 place, put a comma. So 64,003. This is correct. Okay, let us move this one to here. Okay, write in words. Write in words. This you have to write it in words. Okay, this also you have to write it in words. How many lakhs and hundreds are there in the abacus? Figure 2. How many lakhs and hundreds? How many lakhs? 10 lakh, 22. This is 21 lakhs. Okay, hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 hundreds. This is not 24 lakh, 1 lakh only. He is asking only face value of lakh. So for lakh it should be 1 lakh only. Hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds. Okay. Find the sum of greatest 4-digit number and smallest 5-digit numbers. Sum of greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Now you have to add with smallest 5-digit number. This is 1. After that 4 zeros. What is the sum then? That much only. Okay, 19,999. Okay, write the following in ascending and descending order. Since you are well acquainted with those orders, I think you can do it on your own. Anyway, the space is still a problem for this exercise. Okay, I didn't get enough space here, but let's leave it here only. Write it in standard form. 7 lakh 5,000 410 3 ones. What is the standard form, man? Number form is this 7 lakh 5,000. So 5,000, 4 tens, 100 is missing, 4 tens, 3 ones. Okay. If you put a comma here and also here, yeah, 7 lakh 5,043. That is correct. Okay. Now you can write also in the name form. Okay. This is number form. You can also write it in the name form. Add 5,300 to this number. 5,000 and 300. 5,300 you can add to this number, right? Subtract smallest 6-digit number from greatest 7-digit number. What is the greatest 7-digit number? All nines. 7 nines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Yeah, correct. Then smallest 6-digit number is 1. Thereafter 1 lakh only. 5 zeros. Yeah, 1 lakh. This is how much? 9 crore 99,000. Okay. Ones, tens, hundreds, right? 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh. Okay. So this becomes 98. 98. Yeah, how many nines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Sixth place only, sixth digit place only, 9 becomes 1. Right. So this is the answer. Subtract the small, right. Numbers and operations. Appreciate the role of place value in addition, subtraction, and multiplication algorithm. Addition. Okay. Now we have introduction. There is a family here, right? See, this is Appa, Amma, குழந்தைகளே. Okay. அவரோட பேர் அனந்தன். ஓகே. அனந்தனோட அம்மா, அனந்தனோட அப்பா. ஓகே. என்ன என்ன what did his mother says? Ananthan, come fast. That is what Ananthan's mother shouted. Okay, she didn't say, she shouted like, Ananthan, come fast. Okay, like that. Okay. Bus would come earlier. Like that she told. Then what Ananthan told? I am here, ma'am. I am here, mummy. I am ready. I am ready. He said. The whole family was very busy for Ananthan's sister marriage. Okay, they have to buy new clothes for their relatives and family members. They finished their purchase and returned back home. Ananthan asked his father, how much did you spend for our dresses, Appa? Like that he asked. His father said, cost of the dresses for gents is 25,050, for ladies is 47,025, and for kids is 7,125, and for bride and groom dresses is 17,500. Now you can tell me the total amount. That is what his father said. Avanoda Appa. Then Ananthan took a paper and pen. He wrote all the amounts one by one according to their place values. Okay. Then he added them up. He got 96,700. Check whether the above total is correct or not. That we will do now. 550. Sorry. 5501. Okay. 5 2 is 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 2 9 10. 1 is there, right? So 10. 1 is again there. 7. 7 3 is 21 plus 1 5 26. 2 is there. 2 2 4 4 4 8 9. This is correct only. Now we checked it, right? So how to indicate it? By putting a tick mark. Check whether the above total. Yes, Ananthan is correct. See, the cost of kids is 7,125. There is an empty place in 10,000 place. So Ananthan wrote down the numbers according to the place value. Right. We learnt about the place values of the numbers. Now we are going to use the method of adding different values of numbers. Add the following numbers and write down one by one. Okay, this is 1,37,462, 4,005, 38, 56,734. Okay, see the places are given here. Okay, you have to fill according to the place value. Okay, now add them up. If you add these two, 7 plus 12, 19, 1 will come appear here. So 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3, 13. So 1 again will appear here. 5 plus 7, 12, again 1 will appear here. 8 plus 4, 12, okay, 18. 1 will appear here. 4 plus 5, 9. Yeah, this is also correct. Arrange all the given numbers according to their place value. We can do all the additional problems in this manner. Okay. When write the numbers, we can avoid mistakes by starting from the right side, that is from units place. Okay, while writing numbers, this is what he is suggesting, to write two first instead of one. Okay, to avoid the mistakes when you have different digits of different numbers. Okay, when all the digits have equal numbers, yes, you need not to proceed in that way. When the digits have different numbers, okay, when the digits of numbers are not equal, in other way, when the digits of numbers are not equal, this is the best way. That is what he is suggesting. First to put one's value, thereafter 10, and like that. Okay, now find the sum. Okay, as usual I will do it for first question. So 5 plus 7, 12 plus 4, 6, right? I will write 6 here. That is not 6, 16, right? I will only ones place, right? This is only ones place, right? I will only write 6 there and remaining one here. Okay, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 5, 16. Again, I will write 6 here. Okay, again I will be left with 1, right? That one I will write, give it to the hundreds place. Okay, its proper place. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Okay, no, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18, right? 18. So 8 I will write here. Remaining one should be given to the next place. Next consecutive place is 1000. So that one will go here. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 will appear here in 10, in 1000 place. Okay, and this one will go to the 10,000 place. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6, right? 6. Okay, this is the answer. Now we do this one, all the four also. Okay, I did it for one, right? You have to do 6. Okay, that is the agreement, right? In a town panchayat, population of 5 villages are like this: 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is the total population? This is also sum, you add them up. Okay, Ramu bought some home needs the price list which is given below. What is the total cost? I think you can do it, okay, by now. Okay, they are properly written also according to their place value. In a vegetable market, one day sales of brinjals is 4,500, tomato is 7,800, onion is 26,500, potato is 7,825, beetroot is 2825. What is the total amount of sales that day? You add all these up, you will get the answer. Okay, so the addition is over. Now we have to look at the subtraction part. Okay,